Welcome to my channel, and thank you for choosing my video to watch. This video is actually part of a longer video that I made about investing in stock market for the beginners under the title Complete Guide on How to Buy and Sell Stocks in Canada Bourse with Questrade. I will also put the link of that longer video in the descriptions below this video. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to check that as well. Also, please make sure to comment and tell me your questions if there is any. I will answer as much as I can, and give me any sort of criticism, positive, negative, and tell me what you think about it. So thank you once again, and without killing time more than this, let's just jump right into the video and see what I've prepared for you. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Tangerine, and also it's my own bank. I also have done another separate video on why I chose Tangerine, and I have reviewed its website, ATM. I may put the link in the description below this video, but so for now, let's just see how we can transfer money from any bank to Questrade. As I said, I use the Tangerine website to show you, but you can do it from any other bank. Okay, all you have to do is to log into your bank account and find a section that says pay bills or add a payee. Okay, because what we have to do is to add Questrade as a payee, and then that way we can transfer money, to Questrade TFSA. So as you can see, I've already added Questrade, but for the sake of this video, we're going to click on add a payee to see what happens. When you click on add a payee, you have to look for the payee name. Make sure that you type Questrade correctly. There are probably, I'm assuming that there are two, it gives you like two options. One of them is Questrade Exchange, the other is Questrade Inc. So you should choose Questrade Inc. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it gives you Questrade Inc. Then you should paste the account number that I just asked you to copy in the last section. So anyway, your TFSA in Questrade, make sure that they match. Okay, double check or triple check just to make sure that they match. You can also give it a nickname. It's up to you. And then after that, just click on add. So when you click on add, you can see that Questrade is added. And just because I already transferred a couple of times to Questrade, so it shows you the last time you transferred any money to Questrade, okay, and the amount also. So you can, after adding Questrade, you're gonna check this checkbox besides its name, and then click on next. So here you need to determine the amount so you first have to determine from which account you would like to pay. So in this case, I have only a checking account with Tangerine, so it's already chosen for me. Then it shows payee Questrade, and it also shows the account number. Then you're gonna put the amount, how much you want to transfer to Questrade, and then it shows the date. Okay, the date of the day you're doing the transaction pre-populate automatically, but you can also set a date, whatever date you want. Okay, now if you click on recurring, okay, what will happen is it will give you some more options. Okay, you can choose recurring means repetitively, means to transfer multiple times. Okay, so if you choose weekly, it's gonna transfer this much amount of money weekly to your Questrade. Likewise, bi-weekly every 2 weeks, and monthly every month. Okay, and if you click never ends, it doesn't show you the end date because it will never end, right, until you cancel it. You can also, if you don't want, so if you just want, for example, to do this multiple times for 3 months, you can choose monthly, and then you can give it the end date. Okay. Then whatever you choose, you're gonna click preview. After you click preview, make sure that all the information matches. Your, double check your Questrade account number, the amount you're trying to pay, make sure that it's from your checking account that you want to pay, and the date as well. And then after you click pay, it takes like 2 to 3 business days for your money to arrive in your Questrade account. Also, you can, I think it is possible for you to cancel at any time you want before it's transferred, okay, in Tangerine. So what happens is, if you remember the last section, we were in this page when we were trying to finish up creating an account in Questrade. So if you want, you can just go ahead back to Questrade and click on finish. So this would be actually the last step of your account opening. So you have to wait 2 to 3 business days for your money to arrive. Okay, so that's it for this section. In next section, we're gonna see how you can automatically transfer your account from another broker or another bank into Questrade. Let's say you have a TFSA in another bank and you want to transfer it to Questrade. So you can do it through Questrade and you don't need to do anything. It will also, as I mentioned before, cover up to $150 of transfer fees.